Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets using conditional formatting. So what you want to do first is select the range or the column where you want to find the duplicates. Select the top to select everything in that column. Then head over to Format and select Conditional Formatting. Now under Format Rules here, change this condition to Custom Formula Is and enter equals count if in all caps, enter an open bracket, and next we're going to enter the range. So just to select everything in this column, enter A colon A. Now I'm doing A because this is the column I selected, but if you were to select the B column, you would change this A to B, and if you are selecting C, you would change it to C and so on. Then enter a comma and select where you would like to start searching from. I'd like you to start searching from the first row, so I'm going to select A1, close it with a bracket, and enter greater than 1. So if it's greater than 1, if it appears more than once, you'd like it to highlight it, and you can change the color to red or anything you want to highlight the duplicates, and click on Done. Or if you'd like to find the duplicates in a row and not a column, simply select the row you'd like to check and select Add another row. Change the format rule to Custom Formula Is. Enter equals count if in all caps and open brackets. And this time, instead of just inputting A, we're going to enter the range right here, A5 to Z5, or whatever your range is. Enter a comma, then enter A5. Close it with the bracket, enter greater than 1, and it will highlight the duplicates in the row. And that's it for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.